Guys, what is up? My name is Harry and welcome back everybody to another Roblox Studio video. Today everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to make an E to pick up system, E to get in car system. There's a pretty much all around E or any keybind really to interact system in Roblox Studio, okay? So yeah, make sure you're subscribed to the channel because it really helps me out. It only takes a second to like and only a second to subscribe. We're really close to 1,000 subscribers and it will only take a couple of seconds. I'm literally chatting now, so you might as well do it now. If you're going to watch the video, you might as well. And yeah, let's hop right into this video. Okay guys, to start off, we're going to be looking at the dev forum here, and as you can see, they added something today, 13 hours ago, sorry, called Proximity Prompt Studio Beta. Now as you can see, you can go down here, as you can read here, indicate what objects can be activated in the world, display actions, trigger actions, display the correct input, use tap, and use default UI or make your own custom UI, okay? As you can see, here's a quick video of what this looks like, just like that. I mean, look how nice that looks. Okay, so first of all, you need to enable the beta feature. Now, if you don't know how to enable beta features, it's really quite simple. So you go to File up here, and you want to go to this button here saying Beta Features. You just want to click on that, and as you can see, you can go down and look at all of these interesting little, what they call things. So you want to go here, and you want to turn on Proximity Prompt Beta. Now, you just want to click on that, and then you just press save, okay? Now, it would normally tell you to restart Studio. I've already done that, so you won't have to do it to me. But pretty much, you just have to restart your Studio, and you should be good to go, okay? So yeah, now we're actually going to go ahead, and we're going to be using this proximity prompt. So to start off with, we're going to start basic, and we're going to add a part in. Now, this part is just a normal part. We just added it. Okay, so for this part, what we're going to do is we're going to press add here, and what you want to do is press this little button right. Oh, wrong thing. You want to press this little button right here. So this button here, and you want to turn off this. Okay. As you can see now, it opens a lot more options. So you can search up proximity prompt. It's this little it's the click detector icon. Just want to click on that. Now automatically nothing really changes to the part, but you want to click on the proximity prompt now, and as you can see, we get all these very good, very interesting options. Okay. So first of all, action text, okay? So what is action text? Action text is this little thing what says drive. As you can see, here we go again. Right there, drive. That little thing that says drive, that is the action text. So I'm going to be doing just I don't know what this will do, just do print, okay? Print hello. Okay, that's all we're going to do. Oh, not a kilo. Okay, everybody, if you don't know already, I cannot spell print hello. Alright then, now clickable prompt is just good so you can click it while you're doing it instead. Exclusivity, one per button, that seems good. Gamepad input code. So this is what you see on Xbox. If you don't know, I have an Xbox. Pretty sure you know what an Xbox controller is. But yeah, these are all the Xbox buttons. I mean, okay, the best Xbox button I think is button Y because that's what they have in Jailbreak. Yeah, that is pretty much, if you don't know what an Xbox is, that you probably do, but if you don't, that's something to go. Okay, hold duration. Now, 0 means you just tap it. You tap whatever button you want to do it, do the action, or you can hold. So I'm going to actually do a hold for now. I'm going to make it so you do it for 2 seconds to enable something. Now, the keyboard activation, this is for us. We just press E or whatever. I'm going to do the E. Max activation distance, that is how far away you are to be able to see it. So if I'm this far away, you won't see it, but if I'm like 10 studs away, you'll see it. Name is just whatever this is. Now the object text, now this is something we need to add to. Let me show you what object text is. It's this little thing here where it says Jeep. So look, come up where it says Jeep up there. That is pretty much what you have to do. So to do that, we're going to go to object text. I'm just going to go part, just like that. You don't have to do that, but yeah, that's what I do. Now style, we'll look at that in a second. We're just going to use a default one for now, but you need to script something, okay? So I'm going to add a script in. There we go. Add a script in, and we're going to start doing a little bit of scripting. Just, it's only 3 lines to make this work, okay? Okay, guys, we're going to go game.workspace.part.proximity prompt connect, and then we're going to go here, function, and then we're going to go again another bracket, and I'm going to write player. Okay, so from here, guys, we're going to go down, and in here we're going to go here whatever you want it to do. So I'm going to go print you interacted with me, you did something. Well, no, we can't do that. We go this you did something to me. Okay, so now when we hit play, guys, as you can see, this is a really useful feature. This is probably my favorite studio update yet. Okay, I don't think you can beat this update.
It is generally incredible. So let me just load in real quick, and we just want to head over here to the part. Now when you head over here,
as you can see, it will show this really nice looking thing. So like I said, part print hello. It doesn't even print hello. As you can click it, and as you can see, like we did it for 2 seconds, 1, 2, and there we go. It does it. Okay, now if you hit onto view output, where is this? Alright guys, I was a noob. I forgot to add something in. It's dot triggered. Okay, triggered. Then it goes connect function. That is why it wasn't working itself. I knew that. There's a bit of a shenanigan. Look, you could just tell there was something wrong, couldn't you? Okay, now let's play. As you can see, we'll be able to do it. Okay, guys, like I said before, it looks like hello, it's VG's live. How interesting. Goodbye. Okay, as you can see, you can hold E like that. Enter. We go to view. Where is this view output? As you can see, you did something to me. You can do it again. Watch the output, guys. There we go. ×2. Did it again. That is absolutely perfect. Okay. Now that was pretty easy. Now let's move on to something a lot more difficult and interesting. Okay, guys. To do something more interesting, we're going to add in a seat. So just do search for a seat. Like that, we're going to add a seat. Alright. For this seat, we're then going to go add another proximity sensor. What's it called again? I'm just going to call it E to thing. I don't even know. We're just going to keep it how it is, really. I'm fine with the whole duration. I'm just going to 1. And then we're going to add a script into that. Alright, so let's actually try and make sure that players can sit down into the seat. Okay, guys, so I just finished the script off, and pretty much what this does, I'm going to explain how you do it. You can copy this. This will be in the description, okay? So local proximity point script will parent, so the parent is this. Seat is the script is that dot parent, okay? Then see get property change to also connect function. Pretty much that's saying that is are you in it or not, and if you're in it, then it disables the proximity font. If you're in it, if you're not in it, then it enables it. Okay, and then if you trigger it, then you sit onto it. Okay, so that means if it's triggered, you sit onto it. This is just checking if you're in it or not. So now when we hit the play, we should be able to press E to sit down. Okay, guys, so as you can see, you press E to interact, and as you can see, you hold, and there we go. We sit down. It's as simple and as easy as that. It's probably one of the best things in Roblox. Okay. So yeah, we've now done this. Let's do one more thing to finish this off. Okay, everybody. So we worked out how to E to sit down and E to like print something. So now we're going to customize it. Now I love customization because I mean I can imagine loads of games are going to use this, but when people see in lots of games, I think it's a free model, and free models people do not like. So we're going to customize it. Going to start a GUI here, add a screen GUI. I'm going to just call this one prompt thing. I don't know. You can name this whatever you want. We're going to go and we're going to add a local script into here. Okay, guys, in this local script, there's going to be a very long script, so I'm not going to, I guess I'm not going to give it to you. So the link will be in the description to the script. So, yeah. Alright, guys, like I said, it's a very long script with 343 lines on, but it's worth it for the customization, okay? So, pretty much what this is right here. It is saying here, so it's getting all services right here. So the gamepad images. So it's saying like for the D-pad down button, it shows this. For the B button, it has this image. Like all of these things, okay. So yeah, pretty much, I would like to change the font of it. I don't like the font of it. Let me just say, I don't like the font. Let me get the image here. Here, I don't like this font. I don't like it very much. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to change the font. So how to define something in a script? Little learning thing here. You press Command F. So yeah, you can search up in here font. Okay, so let's search up font, and we can skim through the script very easily. So we're going to start with number 1, and here it says enum.font Gotham semi-bold. I don't like that. I want to do enum.font. Now, if you don't know font, it looks like you can just add a what's it called? A text label into here. Now this is going to be a random text label. And we're going to scale that, and pretty much a font is any of these. So Roblox recently added a load of new fonts, and they look really good. So we're going to find one of the new ones, and we're going to use one of those. Let's find, what does this one look like? Okay, that's interesting. Grenzgotish. Okay, let's actually do that one. So to do that one, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and search up font. And we're going to go, oh, I've forgotten the name completely already. So what does it start with? Grenzgovich. Perfect. So yeah, we're going to have a Grenzgovich E to prompt system. Grenzgovis. When we go to the next match, here we go. Grosish. Go down again. Here's another one. I'm going to change this to Grosish. Ah, this name is very interesting. I honestly love it. Grosish. We go down again, and then we're back to the start again. Okay, fantastic. Now that is pretty much what this looks like. So let me just find what a little thing we could do here. So let's say we can change the, what can we change? We can change the frame color. So into your frame, let me find ourselves a color to change. We can find one here. So this color here is, as you can see guys, we get this little new color thing where it shows us this. So we can change it. I'm going to change it to green like that, and as you see, it changes it to green. That's very, very good. Lovely new Roblox features, by the way. Thank you very much, Roblox. You've done some great updates recently. But yeah, then as you can see, we can leave this, and we want to add in another proximity thing. So add a party, add a proximity prompt, and then that we'll just use it like that. We don't need to add anything. But we're gonna go style custom. That's all we need to do. Okay, so object test blah blah blah, and then here blah blah blah. So now if you hit play, we'll head over to have a look at this, and so yeah, it'll be really, really interesting to see. So as you can see, we can go ahead and we can walk up to this, and we will have our custom made, very, very nice looking e-prompt. Okay, looks a bit interesting, but yeah, that is it. That is really, really simple. That is it for today's tutorial. Alright guys, thank you very, very much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. Okay, I just want to say quickly that this Roblox feature is not 100% out yet. You can only use it in Studio. We have to wait a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months, until they release it in games. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. We're nearly at 1,000. And yes, that is goodbye from me.